Hi everyone, I'm Krista, teacher of crystal healing classes as well as holistic healer. And I wanted to let all of you know that I'm teaching a very special live and interactive online crystal class with Carnelian. Our topic is boosting vitality, motivation, and confidence with Carnelian gemstone. So we will be working with red Carnelian in this class or orange Carnelian. And this class is live and interactive where we can all meet each other, make new friends from people from around the world, and really share these healing techniques with others. So this class, you will work with Carnelian to enhance vitality, energy, and motivation. Also, Carnelian has a beautiful fiery energy. It's associated with the fire element, which has a very creative aspect to it. The fire energy helps to get you going, boosting motivation, drive, boosting joyful energy to help you to accomplish goals, help you to achieve your dreams, and get things done. So in this class, I will be teaching you very special healing techniques. One technique I will teach you is how to banish fears that keep you stuck in life. So when we have fears keep us stuck, fears keep us stagnant in life. So you will learn a technique to release yourself from those fears so that you can move forward in life in a good way. I will also teach you a very special healing technique that helps you to release limiting beliefs that limit your ability to be successful or create success in your life. We sometimes create these limiting beliefs for ourselves that sabotage our health, our happiness, our well-being, that can also sabotage our goals and success. So whether those are financial goals, maybe those are also goals for career or relationships, those beliefs can sabotage us. And sometimes we also inherit those beliefs from our family or our culture, and that can also sabotage our happiness and success. So you will learn a very special technique to uncover those limiting beliefs, to know what they are, and to release them from you so that you can create good success in your life. I will also teach you a technique to boost your courage and confidence in yourself, your skills, your talents, and abilities so that you can express those good talents, skills, and abilities with strong and confident energy to help you to shine in your life and to achieve good success. I will also teach you in this class how to supercharge your motivation, to transform stagnation into action so that you can take action to get things done and fulfill your goals to also create success. So if you feel lethargic, tired, worn out, maybe you've gone through a lot of stress in your life recently, maybe you have had a lot of challenges and you feel tired, worn out from that, you will learn this technique to help supercharge your energy, to boost energy, vitality, motivation, and drive so that you can do things and get things done. Or perhaps you're coming out of a period of illness where maybe that illness knocked you out and you are feeling tired and worn out from that. This technique will also help to boost your vitality and energy so that you can get things done. Or also, if you have this syndrome, I call it the I don't feel like it syndrome, this technique will also help to heal that for you. So if you say to yourself, okay, I would like to do these things, but I just don't feel like it. I don't have the energy. I just don't feel like it. Even if it's something simple of like cleaning your house or doing the dishes and you're like, I just don't feel like it. This technique will help you to heal that pattern and help you to get things done in a good way. Also, you will learn a technique in this class that will help you to embrace powerful transformation, to transform your ideas and goals into successful outcomes. So that is a very powerful technique for manifestation as well. So I invite all of you to come to class, to be together with each other, make new friends, do this healing work as a group to really help yourself and to create good success in your life. So for this class, you will need a red carnelian or an orange carnelian, or sometimes the carnelian comes in combination of red and orange in one stone. You could work with that. So if you have a stone or piece of carnelian jewelry, you can work with jewelry for this class as well. So we will be working with red and orange carnelian, but not yellow carnelian. That has a different healing vibration. So we need to work with red or orange for this class. So I will put the link in the class for the class registration in the comments below, and the next class date is on the screen here. So I invite you to come to class. I would love to meet you and share these beautiful healing techniques with you. All right, so I look forward to seeing you in class. Lots of love and light and blessings to you, and namaste.